We're back on Koh Lanta, and our friends from Malee Seaview have gone up in the world. We're on our way to the top of Malee Highlands. Our first stop is Chill House, a stylish 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment where we're staying for the next couple of months. Let's take a look. Tastefully decorated, restrained without being austere, there's just enough personality here to make it feel like a home, but not so much that you feel like you're living in someone else's. Designed for long-term renting, these apartments have been carefully thought out. There's lots of storage, comfortable seating and adjustable lighting so we can create a relaxing mood at the end of a hard day. Hard day, who am I kidding? The apartments are exceptionally well equipped and come with a washing machine, fibre optic internet and a well-tooled kitchen, including, should the need arise, everything required to bake a cake. Okay, so I didn't actually bake these cakes, but I absolutely could have. It's a good kitchen. Enough about baking, Simon. Let's show them what we're really here for. The balcony has an incredible unobstructed view of the ocean and is a perfect place to unwind because, as beautiful as the apartment is, at 6:30 every evening, the star arrives and steals the show.